Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by J Sir. Here we explain 12th physics, first chapter physical world. Here we are going to explain most important topic of this chapter, explain fundamental forces in nature. So this is the most important question of this chapter. Remember this point, there are four fundamental forces. These four are main fundamental forces in nature. Number 1, gravitational force. Number 2, electromagnetic force. Number 3, strong nuclear force. Number 4, weak nuclear force. First of all, we explain gravitational force. Remember this point. This force, gravitational force, is given by Newton's law of gravitation. According to this law, according to Newton's law of gravitation, gravitational force is denoted by F. F is directly proportional to m1 and m2, and gravitational force F is inversely proportional to r square. Dear students, remember this point. Here m1 is called mass of first object, while m2 is called mass of second object, while small r is distance between them. If we combine these two equations, then we can say that gravitational force F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. Now this is our proportionality sign, and whenever we remove proportionality sign, so we have to introduce proportionality constant. So remember this point. Here we use proportionality constant G. So our equation is F is equals to G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is known as gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant. Remember its value. G is equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Now here we explain some example of this equation. Now here we explain simple example for this equation. Suppose we have first object having mass 5 kg, so m1 is equals to 5 kg. We have second object having mass 10 kg, so m2 is equals to 10 kg, and distance between them is 10 meter. So find gravitational force between these two objects. We have this equation, F is equals to G m1 m2 upon r square. So F is equals to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, this is gravitational constant, into 5 mass of first particle, into 10 mass of second particle, upon r square, means 10 square. So solve this example. So your answer is 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton. Here we consider force, so unit of force is Newton. Now remember statement of Newton's law of gravitation. We already know that gravitational force F is directly proportional to m1 m2, and gravitational force F is inversely proportional to r square. By combining these two equations, we can say that F is directly proportional to m1 into m2 upon r square. Now here we use this equation to form its statement. This is simplest statement. Okay, try to write this statement from this equation. So here we have standard equation F. So the gravitational force between two objects is directly proportional to product of their masses. See this equation very carefully. Gravitational force F is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. See this equation again. Upon r square means inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Now remember important properties of gravitational force. First property, it is universal attractive force. So force between two objects, gravitational force between two objects is always attractive. Number two, it obeys inverse square law, because here we have 1 upon r square. So it obeys inverse square law. Number three, it is long range force. This force act for very large distances. Number four, it does not require any intervening medium. So it does not require any medium to act. Number five, it is weakest force in a nature. We have four fundamental force, but this force is weakest force among all forces. Property number 6, it is central force. So it act towards the center of two objects. Number 7, it is conservative force. Remember this topic. Number 8, this force is applicable to all objects. Suppose we have smaller object or larger object. This force is applicable for all objects. Number 9, exchange particle are graviton. This is a simple concept. Okay, remember this topic. Now here we are going to explain their examples. First example, any object or any body falls due to gravitational force. This is simple concept. Next topic, next example, motion of moon and other artificial satellite around earth. So this type of motion is possible because of gravitational force. Next example, motion of planets around the sun. This is also possible for gravitational force. And formation of stars and galaxies. This is due to gravitational force. Thanks.